Hey guys, sorry I haven't been posting lately. I haven't been posting no videos for at least over 3 weeks. It's almost done with spring winter break, but I want to show you something. This slingy right here. If you put your phone inside one of the circle things, where the slingy is, hold your phone. Like if you think that sounds like lasers. Don't like if you just think it's dumb. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm probably gonna upload next week. I don't know what I'm gonna upload, but I'm gonna at least get some ideas in. Anyway, see you.